Hello guys, handugan ko na naman kayong muli ng isa pang acapella song. Ito'y mula kay Lionel Richie sa kanyang awiting 3 Times a Lady. Sana maibigan nyo ang handog ko para sa inyong lahat. 3 Times a Lady. Para sa inyo ito guys. Thanks for the times that you've given me. The memories are all in my mind. And now that we've come to the end of our rainbow, there's something I must say out loud. You're once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. Yes, you're once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. I love you. Maraming salamat po guys sa walang sawa niyong pagtatangkilik sa aking sintonadong boses. Ito isang acapella song lang. You shared my dreams, my joys, my pains. You made my life worth living for. And if I had to live my life over again, I spend each and every moment with you. You're once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. Yes, you're once, twice, 3 times a lady, and I love you. I love you. Maraming salamat po guys sa walang sawa niyong pagtatangkilik sa aking acapella song. Ito'y sintonado ko lang boses. God bless po sa ating lahat. See you on my next record. When we are together, the moments I cherish with every beat of my heart. To touch you, to hold you, to feel you, to need you. There's nothing to keep us apart. Guys, maraming salamat po. Sana nagustuhan nyo at naibigan nyo ang aking sintonadong boses. Ito'y mula kay Lionel Richie sa awiting 3 Times a Lady. I love you.